Do you want to delete your Instagram account permanently on iPhone? Let me show you how to do it. So the first step is to open Instagram on your iPhone and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right section of your screen, and then head over to these three lines, and then on the search bar search delete. Hey, there you go. It gave you an option of deactivation or deletion. Click on this, and in my account center it is showing me options of which I want to deactivate or delete the account. So I want to delete this account permanently. I will just click on it, and then there are two options right here: deactivate account or delete account. If I want to delete my account, I will just click on continue, and then it will ask you why am I deleting my account, and you can choose one of these options and click on continue, and then it will delete your account permanently. So that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and leave